Apple today launched a repair program for iPhone 7 devices that are impacted by an ongoing bug that causes them to have no available service even when cellular coverage is available. Apple says the problem is caused by a component that has failed on the main logic board. The problem affects a small percentage of iPhone 7 devices, causing them to display a no service message instead of properly connecting to an available cellular network. Customers who are experiencing this issue will receive a free device repair from Apple, and those who have already paid for repairs are eligible for reimbursement. Apple will be emailing customers who may have previously paid for a repair related to this problem to offer a refund. According to Apple, affected units were manufactured between September 2016 and February 2018 and were sold in China, Hong Kong, Japan, Macau, and the United States. Model numbers that are impacted by the hardware failure include A1660, A1780, and A779, and customers can see if they are affected by checking the model number on the back of their device. We first heard hints of this bug in September of 2016, when Apple launched an investigation into iPhone 7 devices that were displaying a no-service message after customers activated and then disabled airplane mode. Apple's repair program is only available for the iPhone 7, and Apple will examine all iPhones prior to service to verify that the iPhone in question is impacted by the bug and eligible for repair. Apple says that devices with other damage, such as the cracked screen, will need to have those problems addressed before the no-service bug can be fixed. Customers who are in need of a repair should contact an authorized Apple service provider, visit an Apple retail store, or get in touch with Apple support. Apple will be sending all iPhone 7 models in need of repair to an Apple Repair Center. The new iPhone 7 repair program covers affected iPhone 7 devices for 2 years after the first retail sale of the unit.